Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a tutorial to show you how you can insert a delta symbol into your Excel sheet with ease, like this symbol right here. So, to do this, first go to the Insert tab, then towards the right, far right, there's going to be a Symbols option. Then click down, then on the right symbol again. From here, there's going to be two drop downs at the top. I'm going to go to the subset dropdown and then go to the mathematical operations option, which if you're scrolling is towards the middle. It's oddly enough not in alphabetical order, but it's kind of towards the middle, a little bit below the middle. Mathematical operations right here if you're scrolling, and then you're going to want to look for the symbol. Now, one thing to note is that it's not available in all fonts. As you can see, I'm in the Cintiq small. I'm going to go to Arial because it is available in Arial. And then, as you can see, the symbol, now that I've moved to Arial font, the delta symbol is there. And as you can see, it is character code 2206 from the Unicode hex. Then click Insert. And every time you press Insert, a new delta symbol will be inserted. So knock yourself out and insert as many delta symbols as your heart desires. And then from here, you can be edited like similar to as you could normal text. So Alt H F S to change the font size to 50, because why not? We can make them red. We can make them bold. We can underline them. And you can kind of edit the symbol in a similar way that you can in normal text. As I hope you found this video to be helpful. Like, subscribe, comment, check out the links in the description for your free stock. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.